So our question states, you run 1/12 of a mile in 1/2 of a minute. How many miles per minute do you run? So we're looking at this unit rate. So it says, how many miles do you run per minute? And over here we have 1/12 of a mile, so we put that with the miles, in 1/2 of a minute. So we put 1/2 with the minutes. And we want to know how many miles we run in 1 minute. Well, this isn't like before where we had just numbers, so let's take a look at what we do with fractions. So we have 1/12 of a mile, and a fraction bar really means division in 1/2 of a minute. And when we do division of fractions, we keep the first, change the symbol, and flip the second fraction. So we keep 1/12, we change division to multiplication, and then we flip over 1/2 to be 2 over 1. Then we go ahead and multiply straight across. 1 times 2 is 2. 12 times 1 is 12. And then we can see that I can divide the top and the bottom by 2. So I divide the top and the bottom by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 12 divided by 2 is 6. And that is 1/6. Okay, so we have 1/6 of a mile per hour.